Hello guys, today in this video we are going to help you to find out the best electric hoist in the market. Let's get started with the video. Number 5. BEAMNOVA. The copper core motor has good thermal conductivity and electrical conductivity, low voltage loss, high motor force, and low heat production. The built-in cooling fan improves heat dissipation. Upgraded manual control with 1.5 meter extended cable. The emergency stop switch helps you stop the lifting when in need. Durable lifting strap, working gloves, user manual, and installation accessories are included for easy installation and use. The surface of the high carbon steel wire is galvanized, smooth, and resistant to corrosion. The strands are tight, not easy to break, strong in bearing capacity, efficient, and safe. The metal case is bright red, strong and impact resistant, and easy to remove. Number 4. NEWTRY. Using a 1500 watt motor, the lifting speed can reach 16 feet min, and the maximum lifting height is 82 feet, which can help you complete the lifting task quickly and efficiently. We offer an additional lifting strap and fixing bracket to help users fix hoist and lifted items. The upper and lower hooks can be rotated 360 degrees, the safety buckle design, anti-fall, overload protection. When the weight exceeds the limit, it will automatically stop to protect the motor. Limit switch, reach the limit position, the safety hammer will automatically power off, effectively protecting the body safety. Number 3. VIVOHOME. Designed with a built-in safety braking structure and overheating protection system to ensure safe operation, it will automatically stop when the power supply is cut off. The motor runs quietly and will not overheat due to its excellent material. Built with an electric motor and a remote panel, this hoist crane allows you to lift load with no manual effort. Compact and lightweight design makes the electric hoist winch convenient to place wherever it is needed. Constructed of a sturdy steel shell and heavy-duty mounting clamps, electric hoist crane is durable for long-term use. Equipped with a high-strength braided steel cable that adopts an anti-twist design, it can be used frequently every day. Number 2. Happybuy. The high-quality copper motor provides 850 watt strong power that can bear large force without deformation for this electric winch. Besides, the large radiator fan cools the machine quickly with the help of overheat protection. Thus, this powerful motor ensures the high-efficient work and saves more energy. In addition, our hoist is equipped with a limit switch and buffer spring to stop the machine automatically and avoid drooping. This electric hoist winch is constructed by alloy shell and galvanized steel wire, keep out corrosion, rust, and rain. The power hoist is suitable for factories, warehouses, construction sites, car makers, railway constructions, etc. Number 1. Partsum. Electric hoist winch can be used to lift regular or irregular shaped things as stones, trees, mower, engine, truck top cover etc. vertically or horizontally in garage, ceilings, loft, barn, attic anywhere and anytime you can imagine, and is a must in Christmas for lifting all kinds of heavy things. Lift slings are included to make your job easier. Normal steel wire ropes are twisted with several thin steel ropes. Item would be likely to rotate to the opposite side. For example, all wires originally are twisted to the left, then the ropes would be easy to rotate to the right way with the danger that the wires would be easy to twist off. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you liked this video. If you have any questions related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.